Productive equity service, and this is the shower installation progress. Today we will install Woodbridge frameless glass door for the shower we just built, and this porcelain tiles in the back. We're using Delta shower heads and all Delta plumbing stuff here. We have a Swiss Medicine dual flush elongated toilet, and this is pretty much all tiles from floor and decor. So it's almost finished, this project. A few more things need to be done with electrical box finish, installing door, and voila, we can use this shower for the use for the shower and use as bathroom. Productive Equity Services, looking for remodeling, call us 561-335-9459.